Hello guys, welcome again. In the last video, you've seen a spoiler of the ongoing illustration and supposedly what it should look like in the progress. But this isn't exactly how I proceed since something's wrong with it. Can you guess what it is?
Another one.
I think the posture was off and I just felt it doesn't evoke what I had in mind. My architecture prof once said to us that if you ever felt an ounce of doubt in your drawing, stop thinking and do it again. The way I interpret it, it's like saying, don't try to fix what you can't understand. If you sense something wrong and you can't find what it is, then do it again until it makes sense. Yup, it doesn't make sense.
And another one.
I know some of you will say it's still good, but in my case, I'm trying to achieve my preferred art style. So if I felt this isn't it, then I'll just have to stop. I guess I just always follow my artistic instinct. At this point, I decided to tackle the background for a change of pace. That repeated sketch takes a toll on my psyche, so it's good to change target to the landscape first, for a reset. I also don't have a skills in landscape illustration. If this is a manga, I'll probably do this with less effort. But since this is in color, I know I'm going to struggle a lot. For now, I'm just doubling my brushes and hope for the best result. I'm resetting the rocks to see if there's a particular style that I might like. My priority just veered towards the discovery and development of my art style, and not for the completion of the artwork. So I know this will take a long time with all the trial and errors. Before I start another trial, it's best to reflect and see how did I do wrong. So whenever I struggle on my art, I always visit Fixips for ideas, analyze artists with particular art style that I want, and try to emulate it. I'm getting there, but I can't seem to find the right technique. I already have someone I preferred for landscapes. Mocha's work is the closest to the well-loved Makoto Shinkai art style. It's a style that blurring 2D and realism. This is my goal. And I know creating a similar piece with her quality is a tall order. But if we're going to dream something, we should aim big. I think I got it. Well, let's just try.
In audio. 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 In audio.
Okay, that's all for now, guys. See ya.